Note investing. You've probably heard people talking about it, especially if your background is real estate investing. Hi, I'm Desi professional investor, and I want to welcome you guys today. And I'm going to talk to you today about something that I really have embraced. Back in 1982, I started investing in real estate as a traditional investor. I started buying real estate as a landlord, I started flipping houses, and I was also a Century 21 owner and broker. And so I was all in on the real estate side. And I did that for decades. I took a detour here and there into the stock market and always found myself saying, why am I doing this? Stick with real estate because I know real estate is safe, I know it's profitable, and I understand it. So I stayed with real estate. And then in 2013, I found out about the note side of the real estate investing space. You see, note investing opens a different avenue for cash flow from real estate than traditional real estate and being a landlord. While I was a landlord for more than 30 years, it was okay, but I never really loved it. I never really had any passion for it. It was just a means to an end. If you are a landlord or ever have been a landlord, you know what I'm talking about. However, note investing is a different story. You see, because with note investing, I'm able to collect cash flow from real estate without being the landlord. I don't have to deal with the tenants. I don't have to deal with the toilets or the trash or the taxes. None of that's my problem. I am the lender. I literally own the mortgage on the home. I don't own the home. Think about that for a minute. That's pretty cool. You see, because as an investor, what we really want is we want a safe, high yield investment, and if we can get cash flow from it too, well, that's just bonus. Well, guess what? Note investing provides all of that and more, because when you invest in mortgage notes, you can also get instant equity. Now, I'm not going to talk about instant equity right now, but I will talk about that in a subsequent video. And we cover all of that in our Note Investing for Newbies training course. We're offering a mini course called Note Investing for Newbies, and it's absolutely free. If you'd like to learn about note investing and just kind of get your head wrapped around what it is and how it works, head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com, and right there you can download the course. You can take the course, it's absolutely free. Normally it's $197, but we're giving it away for free right now to people that go over and register at our website. So if you'd like to learn about note investing, head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com. Put your first name in, your email address, and start studying the course. After you go through that course, you'll probably have questions. And if you do, you can simply reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer your questions for you. Note investing has changed my life personally. It's also changed the lives of my friends, my family members, and now so many other people that I have helped through our coaching and training program. If you'd like some free information on it, head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com, download it, and go from there. Again, my name is Desi Arnaz. God bless you, and thank you for watching.